Alright, so a while ago I decided that I needed a bicycle workshop repair stand. I went on searching for one on Google and found this one on Amazon for about 999 Rand. It's like 1,000 Rand for 3 pieces of metal. So my cheap ass went ahead and got myself those 3 pieces of metal and seeked to sort of design my version of this repair stand. So we're going to be using the Bell Ice Insta Connect system, where we just take 3 pieces of square tubing, 2 legs, 1 stem, and then a 4th piece for the bicycle to hang on. I designed this very rudimentary design on a sheet of paper, and yeah, kind of had a vision of how it would look, but I chose to make like a miniature version of the stand first in the workshop. So this is a video of me kind of doing that a little bit in the workshop and then transferring that onto the bigger scale as I put this together at home. Enjoy. The guys at the hardware store allowed me to use their cut-off machine, so I was able to cut the square tubing myself because, why not have the experience, right? So for creating the cradle where the bicycle is gonna hang, I basically took a scrap piece of wood that kind of matched the size of the square tubing, and I'm going to create like an indent using a rasp from Woodworker. It's like a rasp that you attach to a drill, and this is how that went. I wouldn't say it's the quickest process, but I did manage to get that indent where I'll be clamping the bicycle onto the frame. Well folks, that's it from this episode of the SIG Lab. Stay tuned to more episodes to come. This year we're going to try to release an episode every week at least. See you guys next week.